Code of Ethics. Preamble. Teachers are duly licensed professionals who possess dignity and reputation with high moral values as well as technical and professional competence in the practice of their noble profession, and they strictly adhere to observe and practice this set of ethical and moral principles, standards, and values. Article 1 on Scope and Limitation. Section 1. The Philippines Constitutions provide that all educational institutions shall offer quality education for all competent teachers committed to its full realization, and the provision of this code shall apply, therefore, to all teachers in school in the Philippines. Section 2. This code covers all public and private school teachers in all educational institutions at the preschool, primary, elementary, and secondary level, whether whether academic, vocational, and special, technical, or non-formal. Article number 2, the teacher and the state. The teacher and the state. Section 1. Promote nation pride, cultivate the love of country, and obedience the law of the state. Section 2, carry out the declared policy of the state. Section 3, physically, mentally, and morally fit. Section 4, full commitment and devotion to duty. Section 5, not engage in promotion of any political and religious or partisan interests. And then Section 6, vote and practice all the constitutional rights and responsibility. So Section 7 is not use his position or official authority to influence others. And Section 8 is enjoy academic freedom, conduct research, and pursue study. And Article 3, the teacher and the community. So, the teacher and the community. Section 1, conducive learning environment for all learners. Section 2, provide leadership initiative in the community like social, educational, economic, and civic betterment. And then Section 3, refrain from activities such as gambling, smoking, drunkenness, and excesses. And then Section 4 is study and understand the local custom and tradition. And Section 6 is intellectual leader in the community. Section 7, maintain oh my gosh maintain to attend the worship appropriate at maintain harmonious and pleasant personal and official relations with other professionals, with government and officials. Section 8 is freedom to attend and worship appropriate, but shall not use his position and influence to proselyte others. And then Section 4, the teacher and the profession. Section 1. Article 4. Article 4, the teacher and the profession. Section 1, they ensure that teaching is the noblest profession and shall manifest genuine enthusiasm and pride in teaching as noble calling. Section 2, uphold the highest possible standards of quality education, shall make best preparations for the career of teaching. Section 3, participate the continuing professional education or CPE, pursue such other studies as will improve his efficiency to be nationally and internationally competitive. Section 4, seek 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 support from other school, but shall not make improper misinterpretations through um, personal advertisement and other questionable means. And Section 5, use the teaching profession in a manner that makes its dignified means for earning decent living. Okay, tubo.
Tuh, sigurado ka?